it's me, Terri of the Yarn Joy Podcast. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, it is time for another Tuesday Tidbits. And in today's Tuesday Tidbits, we're going to be doing another designer spotlight. Okay, so in today's designer spotlight, I found the website called onceuponacheerio.com. I thought that was such a cute name. Let me go ahead and read you the About Me section of this website. I took a screenshot of the About Me message so that way I could read it. It says, "Hello, my name is Julie. I currently live in the beautiful city of Vancouver, BC, Canada, with my husband and our two sweet girls. When I'm not busy picking up Cheerios off the floor, I enjoy crafting, cooking, and crocheting. Welcome to my happy place where I get to share it with you all." Okay, she does have a YouTube channel, and I will link it down below in the description box. She doesn't have a whole lot of videos on there. She has, I'm trying to remember if there's tutorials. I know maybe there's a couple of, like, a few crochet technique tutorials, like invisible decrease and finishing off your amigurumis and different things like that. I haven't looked at them. I was just kind of looking at the list of the videos, and I'm not sure if there's actually tutorials on projects on there or not. But of course, on her website, she has a lot of free patterns, all the written instructions on all of them there. She also has another section of her website where they're like pattern collections, like so many Halloween patterns, and she has the links like to each one, and she gives full credit to where the patterns come from, that not her patterns, and the link how to get there, like that, and like fall patterns and different things like that. But in her section of free patterns, I was looking through there and I found some really cute ones. They're all pretty small projects. Now she does have a few wearables. Mainly, she's got amigurumis and different small projects. Now, as far as the wearables, she has a couple of really cute hooded scarves. Really cute. I didn't take pictures of those, but you can check them out on her website. She also has a sweater pattern that I did take a screenshot of, because I thought it was so cute. So here is her Minnie Mouse sweater. So here, I'll pop in a picture right there. There you can see it. Isn't it cute? So cute. She's got a lot of Disney inspired kind of things, like maybe you would, if you're going to Disney World and you want to make yourself a sweater to wear, stuff like that. She also has a Rapunzel braid scarf. It's so interesting looking, and I think it would be fun to do. I was kind of looking at the construction of it, because in her written pattern, she's got a few pictures, in progress pictures, so you can kind of see what it's looking like at that point in the pattern. But yeah, it's so cute. So here's a picture of that Rapunzel braided scarf. Isn't it awesome? I think it's so cute. Now, there's not a picture. I couldn't find a picture of anybody actually wearing it to see what it looks like. The picture I showed you was on a hanger, but it just looks really interesting. Looked like it'd be something fun to make. Okay, now on to her amigurumis. Now she does have a little basic bunny amigurumi that was really cute. She's got other bunny amigurumis that have like bunnies that have clothes on, like a hoodie and different things, really cute. But here is her just basic bunny pattern. So here is that right there. I thought that would look like it was a real nicely done pattern. Okay. She has some cartoon character type amigurumi, small ones. Some of them I think were based on like anime type, the Japanese cartoons characters. And then also she has some of the characters from the Disney movie Inside Out. All those little characters. She has several of those. I suppose she has all of them. I haven't seen that movie, so I don't know. But nicely done looking patterns. I mean, her designs look very nice. She has a doll, and I think that must have been a crochet along, because there's like different pieces of the pattern that you click on to get different pieces, like the legs and the body and like that. And so it's a basic doll pattern, and it has eyes, but it doesn't have a face or hair or anything or clothes. You just you dress it yourself, but I mean, and whatever hairstyle. I think she's got one pattern for an actual hair piece that you could put on there. But besides that, it's like a basic, the doll body, and then you know, go with it after that the way you want it. So here's that basic doll body pattern so you can see that. Okay, so yeah, if you're looking for something you want to, don't have the you feel like you don't have the skills to do the body part, there's the body, and then you can design clothes for it. Okay, also, let's see, she has the cutest little no-sew pencil, little amigurumis, about it'd probably be cute like a backpack buddy or something. I thought was really cute, so I took a picture of that. So here's that right there. Okay, so cute. And then what else? Then she has like really simple type patterns. Like here's a crochet leaf sprout cable tie or bookmark. So I think it's got like leaves on each end, so it's like a bookmark, but then you can use it to tie like your charger cables or something. But it's really cute, those little leaf sprouts. So I did take a picture of that. So here's that right there. Okay, so yeah, awesome little patterns. Let's see, what else did I want to, oh, and then she's got a pillow pattern. She's got a couple of pillow patterns, I believe, but one of them I thought was really cute, and they're candy heart pillows. So I did take a picture of those. So here are those right there. Okay, so it's like the conversation, like a Valentine conversation hearts. It's got the words on it, the candy, and so there was the basic pattern for the heart pillow, but then she has also a tutorial on how to cross stitch onto that pillow the words, that if you want to put words on there like I love you, or you know, hugs, or you know, whatever you wanted to put the little message on there, marry me. So yeah, really cute little patterns. I liked her website. Yeah, I'm looking at my notes here to see if there was any other pictures I wanted to pop in. No, I think that's it. So yeah, it's really cute. So check out her website if you're needing any type of small little items. You might find, I think there was a wrap or blanket made out of, I don't know, it looked like it was made out of like the latte yarn or something. It looked like it was really nice. I didn't take a picture of it, but anyway. Okay, that is it, I guess, for today's Tuesday Tidbits. I hope you're having a wonderful week. Come back tomorrow for the regular Crafting with Friends video, and we will have a visit, let you know what I did over the weekend, and, you know, tell you about what I've been working on, different things like that. So yeah, come back tomorrow and we will have another visit then. So until then, have a wonderful day, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.